Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, my dear friend, my dear viewers. How are you? I hope are you fine and are you very happy and may Allah always keep you happy. So now start the Qaida lesson and lesson number 2 and part number 3. So first of all, you this video, watch full video and just don't skip this video and subscribe my channel. So let's start your lesson. And you first of all you say how.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Let's start from here. The first letter is Ra. Ra. The second one Za. Za. Next one Ya. Ra. Ya. Ra. Next Ta. Za. Ta. Za. The first letter Ta letter and the second one Za letter. Next Sin. That is sin letter and the sin letter 3 step like this. Call this letter C. C. Next one She. She. Call this letter Sheen because the Sheen letter like this and that's 3 step and on the top that 3 step 3 dot on the top. So call this letter Sheen. Next one Seen Lam. Seen Lam. Next one Sheen Lam. Sheen Lam. Next one Swad. Swad. That letter is Swad and the that letter is bold sound. The everyone the green letter is bold sound. So that is letter is bold sound. Swad. Next one Zwad. The Swad letter and the Zwad letter shape is same to same, but the Swad letter is without dot and the Zwad letter is one dot on the top. So call this letter Zwad. Zwad. Next one Twa. Twa. Next one Zwa. Zwa. The Twa letter is without dot and the Zwa letter is one dot on the top. Next one Swadba. Swadba. The Swad letter is first letter and the second one the Ba letter. Next one Twaba. Twaba. The first letter is Twa letter and the second one the red one Ba letter. And the Ba letter is one dot under the letter and the Twa letter is without dot. Next one Zwad Alif. Zwad Alif. The first letter, the green letter is Zwad letter and the that letter is bold sound and the black one letter is Alif letter. Next one Zwa Alif. Zwa Alif. Next one Ain. Ain. Next one Ghain. Ghain. This one Ghain. And this one Hamza. Hamza. Next one Ain Za. Ain Za. Next one Ghain Ra. Ghain Ra. This both letter is bold sound. Next one Swad Ain. Swad Ain. The first letter is Swad letter, the green one, and the red one Ain letter. Next one Zwad Ghain. The first letter Zwad and the second one Ghain letter. After this Ba Ain Dal. Ba Ain Dal. The first letter Ba letter, the second one Ain letter, and the last one Dal letter. Next Ta Ghain Zal. Ta Ghain Zal. The first letter is Ta letter and second one Ghain letter and the last one Zal letter. This is the Ta letter is 2 dot on the top and the Ghain letter 1 dot on the top and the Zal letter 1 dot on the top. This is different between the that 3 letters. Next Hamza. Hamza. That is Hamza shape. and that is Hamza shape. That is Hamza shape. So you read like this: Hamza, 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 and Hamza Alif. That is wrong. But right is this is Hamza, Hamza, Hamza. Next Fa, Fa. That is Fa letter, and the Fa letter is one dot on the top is where right side. One dot of right side. So call this letter Fa. Next one Qaf, Qaf. That is bold sound. Qaf. Next one Wow, Wow. Next one Qaf, Wow. The first letter is Qaf and the second one Wow letter. Qaf, Wow. After this Fa, Wow. The first letter is Fa, the black one, and the last one Wow letter. Fa, Wow. Next one Fa, Qaf, Lam. Fa, Qaf, Lam. The first letter is Fa letter, the second one Qaf letter, and the Fa letter one dot on the top, and the Qaf letter two dot on the top. This is different between the Qaf and the Fa letter. And the last one Lam. After this Qaf, Fa, Lam. The first letter Qaf letter, and the second one Fa letter, and the last one Lam letter. Qaf, Fa, Lam. Next Ya, Fa, Ya, Fa. The first letter Ya letter, because the Ya letter two dot under the letter and the Fa letter is one dot on the top. Next one Mim, Mim. Next one that is Mim letter shape. Mim, Mim. That one Ha, Mim, Ha, Mim. Next one Lam, Mim, Lam, Mim. Next one Ta, Mim. The first letter Ta and the second one Mim letter. Ta, Mim. Next one Ta, Mim, Ta, Ta, Mim, Ta. Okay, the first letter Ta letter, because the Ta letter two dot on the top and the between the letter is that is Mim letter, and the next one, the last one is Ta letter, because the Ta letter two dot on the top. This is different between the Ta, Mim, and Ta. So keep in your mind that a letter shape is one, and how many dot on the top letters. So this is very important for the Quran lesson. Watch this video. So thanks for watch this video. May Allah keep you happy, and subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. See you later. Allah Hafiz.